Good afternoon, Prof. I'll be talking about the financial performance of Woolworths Group. Woolworths Group has a total of 3,357 stores. Australia Food consists of 1,052 stores, whereas New Zealand consists of 182 stores. Big W consists of 179 stores. Indiva Drinks consists of 1,610 stores, and it has 334 hotels. All businesses excluding hotels reported a strong sales growth. Here is the sales summary table which I'll be talking about. So Australia Food had a growth rate of 5%, whereas New Zealand Food had a growth rate of 7%. BW had a growth rate of 7%. Individual Drinks had a growth rate of 7%. Hotels had a decrease of about a growth rate of negative 26%. So this growth rate is of the from the year 2019 to 2020. Everything is in millions. They have highly invested in the community services as well. Woolworths Group's direct community investment was around $31.1 billion. In the food relief drive, they have invested about and provided about 20 million meals. Due to COVID, their online growth sales were strong in all businesses except hotels. Their e-commerce and loyalty websites and app visitation has increased by 63.8% from last year. The business boomed the capacity as customers looked to online for safe and easy solutions to their everyday needs. That to hire extra delivery persons to transport the items to the customers. The year 2020 has changed the whole strategic approach. Now they are focusing on optimizing a better online shopping experience because of the high demand. They have highly invested their money on social media marketing and website development. The closing share of Woolworth is about $36.39, whereas dividend per share for 2020 year was 94 cents. The net profit after attribute to Woolworths Group shareholders was $16,202 million. The gross profit is 29.2% of sales, which is very good. There is high gross margin in Australia Food, New Zealand Food, Big W and Indiva Drinks. There was a less gross margin observed in hotels. Earning before tax is about $3,219 million. EBIT from continuing operations before significant items decreased by 0.4% on a normalized basis. Net assets are about 9,000 and $9,032 million. So all this says that the company is doing very well. It's just that they need to focus more on the online perspective in order to provide a better shopping experience, as COVID has changed a lot, and they should look into it and come up with more strategic approach. Of course, there is a debt which they have to pay, but this is not a big thing in such a big company. Thank you.